Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and this little unboxing video of my first ever try of a Christopher Ward. Really nice outer packaging. If we're gonna jump straight into it, it's time! Yes, Buffer would have said. This watch have been sent to me by Christopher Ward for review, for trying out. And I'm really happy and grateful they did. Now it's not a gift and so on. It's a review, sample, watch situation. So what we have here inside is the C60 Trident Pro. Now I have never handled a Christopher Ward before. I have heard a lot of good things about them. It's gonna be interesting checking them out if I can find my way into the box. There we go. So we have a nice sleeve, branded. Let's put it to the side, and this is interesting, isn't it? Wood, the logo. I'm gonna get back to the logo in a little bit because I was so confused about it before. And how do I open this? Oh, pulling. And inside we have more stuff. Is there anything in here? No, just filth clad cardboard, but thick, solid. I think that's real wood actually. Now, like I've said many a times recently, I really like when brands do small boxes, give something away, like a pouch or something. But this is one of the nicest presentations box wise I have seen. What do we have? Stickers. What do we have more? Nothing. Anything else? Really nice polishing cloth. And over here we have a little thank you note, I guess, warranty card, and so on. Cool. We're not here to see papers. We're here to see a watch. At least I am. And here we go. C60 Trident Pro. I thought I was gonna stand it on a bracelet. Jump cut while I take off the plastic and search for a bracelet. And we're back. No bracelet to be found. Maybe a miss in communications. I'll need to check it out with Andrew over at Christopher Ward. Let's move those hands. So what are my first impressions? Well, first of all, let's say that this is the 38mm watch. More specs up here. And there we go. Now we can see that logo. There is apparently two flags, English and Swiss flags, stylized. This is a nice watch. And this strap, rubber with some sailcloth on it, it seems, is really nice actually. Super duper nice. We have quick release. Here we have a movement with a really nice rotor. And for us watch nerds, let's check the bezel out. Solid clicks, tiny little backplay or tiny little wobble. It should align for a watch in this. Yeah, aligns perfectly. That crown was really nice and easy to grip. How's the winding? Jesus. Yeah, that's quality. And it bites back in so nice. Unscrew. Yeah, that's good. That's really, really good. Nice deep signing on that crown. So I spoke to my contact Paul over at Christopher Ward, and a little misunderstanding. They sent over a bracelet quickly, arrived in this nice little box, and I removed the half link it had with it. And I must say, these details separate, it seems, a bigger brand from a smaller brand or a cheaper watch. Now it's quick release, but it's not the normal like just little pegs that you usually have. These are way easier to handle, a bit flatter, and it never before have a quick release bracelet been so easy to apply. Actually, first time I did this, I thought like, what's going on? Something is wrong here. Because usually you have to wiggle this around a bit, find the holes and stuff, but yeah, it's so easily put in there. It has on the fly micro adjust, the one that, not the one that you push down, but the one you pull to the side, which I find superior. Gives you about a link in difference, and just the look, flexibility of this thing is extremely good. I'm really gonna enjoy trying this Christopher Ward out. And finally, let's put it on wrist, roughly 17 centimeter wrist. I will insert some footage of it on the other strap it arrived with. And here we have it. That's nice. That's super comfortable. It's really, really, really nice. Gonna enjoy testing this one out more now that I have the bracelet. And that's it for this time, guys. Until next time, stay safe, take care, and bye bye.